And why is Aave pumping? You got to ask yourself what's happening. Well, it's a utility token that provides a great DeFi experience, and it's been around and it's trusted. So the second the market starts to feel like it's not going to dump anymore, people are going to start looking for those APYs, and they're going to start getting into the DeFi. It's just what it is. And again, remember when I showed you on the bigger time frames, I've been proving to you guys that it looks very bullish to me. Even if we come down one more time, I see us getting tight inside the zone and a move further to the upside here. And the NASDAQ, I'm bullish, and I haven't changed my stance. We want to see this continue to fall down. We'll watch this closely. If I see this kind of break out and start to do something, and if it ever got above here, that would spell that there's going to be some type of big dump for Bitcoin. Honestly, cup and handles have really big targets. You would take the wick to the wick here with some readjustment. That gives me about $127,000 Bitcoin in September of 2025. So we're going to have a year of just some lovely pumpage. Wow, Sui just got lit. 139, and my target there at 144 for Sui to the upside. Let me show you my target for Sui. I gave this call a while back, but if you're in my trading group, you got this on September 9th. And the entry in there at about $90, and then Sui to 139. And I saw this inverted head and shoulder flag pumping to the upside for Sui, and lo and behold, Sui banging to the upside, crossing the daily 200 MA, which is also a bullish sign for me. This is where you accumulate the altcoins for a lifetime. For me personally, I can't tell you what to do, but this is where I do, and I see this make it a big leg till July of 2025, and then we'll see what happens. But altcoins look poised for a massive move to the upside. I was looking at Drift Protocol. It's getting tighter and tighter. It's the hottest thing since sliced bread since it first came out. It's really been on its own little mini bull run. I've been looking at coins that are on their own bull run. The volume is a little low, I'll give you that, but I like the tightness here, the tight moving averages. This thing can make a 51% move. I gave you the call on the S&P. I said they were gonna pump that money off this higher low. Everyone was freaking out like it was a double top on the way down. People got really bearish here. That's where I got very bullish. When people get into fear, I get into bull. Look at that. Everything was in these long, extended downtrends, and they finally are starting to breach them. This one's just there. It has to break through. Let's take a look at our 8-hour time frame. And yeah, I want to see this. So the second Jupe breaks above that 200 MA, it's going to moon, I'm telling you. Doge looks like it's about to break out for some gains. I see some money coming into these altcoins, I'm telling you. Maybe a little more sideways price action, but it's only a matter of time till we get our first breakout. They retest and they're gone. I see Doge making gains. Thank you for putting Doge on the radar, but I see Doge making gains. Be patient with Doge. It takes its time. When it moons, man, we all know it moons. And I like this coin. I've been talking about it for a long time now. And the whole time here, we could have been just getting it 25, 26, 27 cents while nobody's talking about it. MPLX. Next thing you know, it's going to fly out of this Adam and Eve double bottom consolidation. And even when I talked about it recently, it's up huge from 25, 26, all the way up into that 38 cents. Join the 99 and find out more what you could learn, right? Like MPLX and all the different things that I'm going over. We make it really simple to find too.